Okay, so our situation in the hall, we have quite a large Key Stage 2 hall that had a very old sound and visual system. It was a very old projector that continuously stopped working, particularly on a day when we had maybe an inset day or something like that, and teachers were in there for training, and we would be forever sort of interrupted and asked by staff, can you come and get us working, and that kind of thing. Really time consuming. The system was quite archaic as well, so you had to plug everything in. Nothing was really user friendly. So if we had external lettings using the hall and that kind of thing, we had to put lots of posters up telling people how to use it, and then it wouldn't work, and it didn't bode well for the school. It didn't make us look very good at all. Initially, we asked you to come in and just have a look for us and just sort of say, do you think it's the system? Do you think it's, the actual equipment we've got? Are we using the wrong laptops? Just to really give us a bit of an overall review of the system we had, and with the hope of then having something simple put in place to fix the issues. Which then led to us having a new laser projector, which is amazing. The quality is 100 times better than we had before. It's reliable. We haven't had anyone come to us yet and ask for any support because it's so easy to use for everyone, and that includes our lettings as well. We have quite a big lettings programme, and they've come to us and said that the system works brilliantly, but also it's more user-friendly in the case that we've got everything hidden away. There's no sort of boxes on the wall or lots of sockets and plugs and things like that. Everything is hidden away, and it's just a very simple system, which is amazing for us. One less thing to get broken in a hall, so it's good. And we have football club in there at the moment, so they're in there at the weekends, and again they use it for their sort of training systems and that kind of thing. But also when we have birthday parties or just regular things that might come up, the things that we would use a hall for, they love being able to sort of just plug in via Bluetooth or something like that and just connect up to be able to play their music. Saves them having to hire a DJ, so it saves a lot of people a lot of work and a lot of money. Working with Protech, I actually found the attention to detail was really, really good. Nothing seemed to be too much for you. It seemed to be, we wanted a particular install date, and they were very, very accommodating. They sort of moved a few things around for us so that we could do it within a holiday. It made it so much easier because there was no disruption for classes or for teaching and learning. And then obviously when the team were here on the day, we didn't know they were here. They just got on with the work. There was no sort of constant hand-holding or anything like that you get with some contractors. And it was, just really easy going and done so quickly. And we came back after half term and we could just use the system, which is amazing. It's, for me, that was paramount. And it's made a huge difference to my job, my life. So, to a school considering using Protech solutions, I would say it will be one of the best decisions you'll ever make. Everyone is in a position at the moment where they're trying to save money, particularly in schools. And for us, having that system in place where we know it works the minute you switch it on, it saved money having it installed and having the opportunity to be able to not have to spend lots of time training people, and just being able to have everything hidden away and nice and tidy. Working with them has been amazing, and we're eternally grateful. We will be back. We've got the next hall planned.